In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube Shorts channel that generates thousands of dollars per month. As you can see, this channel here is making $2.1 million per month or $24 million per year uploading YouTube Shorts without filming any of the videos themselves. And I'm going to reveal this channel and exactly how you can get started with creating a channel just like this. As you can see here, YouTube Shorts creators will be able to earn ad revenue starting here in 2023. So you'll be able to monetize YouTube Shorts videos that are less than 60 seconds long, and I'm going to walk you through the entire process step by step. But not only that, I'm also going to show you the exact niche and where to get the videos. But before I show you how you can do that, comment your country down below. And that way, I'll know exactly where you're from, so in the future, I can make sure that every single video I release is meant for you. So drop your country's name in the comments down below. And if you like to make money online, I highly suggest that you subscribe to the channel because I post videos every single week with different money-making methods that you can use to make money online. And if you're not subscribed, I could post a video tomorrow or next week that could have been a video that could have changed the game for you forever. So now that you've subscribed to the channel and maxed out your chances to make money online, let's get into the video. Okay, so first if we go to YouTube and we just go into the search bar and we put in hashtag shorts, that's going to bring us to the short shelf. And as you can see here, there's a total of 527 million videos, so it's growing really fast. I mean, a lot of people are really catching on, but it's still really early to the game. And if we just scroll down here, you'll see that there's a couple of different niches. As you can see here, this right here is like a cooking channel. This is kind of like a funny channel. This right here is just TikTok trends. And then you got cartoon like anime, you got cooking channels. And so what I would usually do is just scroll through here until I find the ones that doesn't require you to show your face. And if we go over here, I found a certain niche. If you go into the search bar and just put in hashtag shorts plus funny cats, that's going to pull up funny cat shorts. And if we look here, that's got 11 million views, 51 million views, 4.2 million views, 49,000 views. And these videos are just getting thousands to millions of views. 27,431,000 and on and on. And this is a very easy niche to get into. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do this without filming the videos yourself. Now, if we come over here to Social Blade, this right here is a good website to give you a good estimate of how much these YouTube channels are actually making. And this is actually a channel that I pulled up. It's called Panda Shorts. And I just opened up one of those channels. Here's their channel here. And as you can see, they're getting 186,000 views, 240,000. 296,000. So they're getting a lot of views on this channel. And as you can see, monthly, they're getting about $2.2 million per month, $26 million per year, just uploading shorts videos. Now this right here is a low CPM niche, meaning how much YouTube pays you per 1,000 views. It's a low CPM, but you can make up for that because you could get hundreds to thousands to millions of views on these types of videos. So basically you can make up for a low CPM with views. And that's exactly how this channel is making so much money. And now I'm going to show you how to get funny cat videos just like these. So now we're going to go over here to TikTok and you just want to go to funnycats_show. And this account basically has videos with millions of views. As we can see here, 1.7 million views. This has 1.5 million views. And if we just scroll down a little bit, here's one with 1.3 million views. And here's another one with 1.5 million views. So if we go ahead and open this up here, it's going to open up the video for us. And if we look at it, it's just a cat falling in the snow. And it's actually a pretty funny video. So now what we could do is take this video and repurpose it, making it a reaction style video and make it our own. If you guys are finding value in this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. So what we want to do is copy this link because as you can see here, it has this TikTok watermark logo and we just want to remove that. So we're just going to copy the link and then we're going to go to this free software called Snaptic and we're just going to paste the link in here and click download. And there's our video here and we're just going to download it to our computer. And now that we get our video with the TikTok watermark removed so it looks a lot better that way, you don't really want to upload a YouTube short with the TikTok watermark. So now that we get that removed, we can make it a reaction style video, making it unique, and now we can use it as our own. And to do that, we're going to use this free software called Canva to modify and edit the video. So what you want to do is just go into the search and type in mobile video and just select mobile video. And then we just want to upload our video to Canva, and we're going to grab it, drag it, and drop it here. Now, to avoid any copyright, because some videos may already have music on it, what you want to do is go up here to the volume icon, click on that, and turn that music all the way down. And then we're just going to center it and drag it out so that it fits the canvas. And now we're going to make this a reaction style video. To do that, we're just going to go to elements, and then we're just going to grab this square right here, drag it, and drop it here at the top. And we want to drag it out to cover the full top part. And as you can see, the color scheme, Canva is automatically going to have it matching your banner here. So if you want to, you can leave it the same color, but if you wanted to change this color, you could just click on it, go up here to the color, and make it white. And then I'm going to right click, and I'm just going to duplicate this and drag this one down to the bottom. And now I want to add some text. So I'm going to click text and add a heading. And then we could just say something like, how funny is this? Question mark. And then we'll just drag this up to the top, and you could shrink it a little bit. Just go up here so that it fits. Okay, and that looks pretty good. And then I'll just right click on this and duplicate that, and I'll drag this to the bottom. And here we could just say something like rate 1 through 10 comment on this video. And we'll also go ahead and drag this and make sure it's centered. Now what this is going to do is make this a reaction style video, and it's also going to make people comment on the video. And while they're commenting, the video is playing in the background, just looping. And now your view duration is going to be over 100%. And this is how you get videos to go viral on YouTube, especially YouTube Shorts. So now that we got our video, we just want to go up here and press share, and then we're going to select download and download. And now we got our video downloaded to our computer. The only thing we have to do is upload it to YouTube. So we just want to go over to YouTube and click this little create icon. And then you're going to get a drop down and just select upload video. And then we're just going to drag and drop our video and drop it here. So now we could just name the video, and I'll just say cat falls in snow, hashtag shorts. And then we just want to copy this and also put it in the description so YouTube would know what our video is about. And now we just want to scroll down and optimize the video, and you always want to make sure that you check off no, it's not made for kids. And then we just want to scroll down to the tags, and you could just put funny video, funny cat video, funny cat shorts video. And this is basically SEO or keywords, so this optimizes your video to help you rank in YouTube search. So if somebody's searching for funny cat videos, your video can pop up at the top. You can say cat falls in snow, and then you could just click next, next, copyright no issues found, next, and then you just want to select public and publish, and you're all set. But if you're really not a fan of this method and you want to check out my #1 recommendation to make money online, you can click the first link in the description below this video. By the way, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the notifications bell to get the latest tips and tutorials that'll help you make money online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.